us to do our duties as mandated in the authority given us. And we may listen attentively and with open hearts, fostering a spirit of unity and understanding. And may the results honor your will and serve the common good. This we ask in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. Amen.
Thank you, Ma'am. Okay, once again, welcome to DPWH, Ilocos Norte 2nd Engineering District. We are gathered here today for the back proceeding, which is the opening of 2 small value procurement. So, may we hear from our procurement officer and secretariat head, Ma'am Mary Jane. Do we have a quorum?
Good morning, Sir William, our Vice Chairperson, and the presiding officer of today's activity. Out of 6 members of the BACSER, 4 are present, so it constitutes a quorum.
Okay, with that declaration that we do have a quorum, so this back proceeding is now called to order. Our chairman, back chairman, is on official business. So I was tasked to preside our back proceeding for today. So may I introduce to you our back members. Our regular member, Ma'am Chona de la Cruz. Good morning. Sir Efren Marquez, our probationary member from the construction chief, and also Sir Jerby Carino, the maintenance chief. And I am also your vice chairman, William B. Lucero. Once again, good morning and welcome to DPW's Ilocos Norte 2nd District. Okay, so good morning sa atin lahat, to all our back support groups, Ma'am Mary Jane, Ma'am Hani, Sir Robert from the ICT, Sir Noel and Sir Boy, Ma'am Lynn.
Good morning,
Good morning. Sa mga members natin, to all our viewers and followers in our social media network, the YouTube. So, today, we have 2 RFQ. The first one, RFQ number 80-2025, that's 006. Supply and delivery of diesel fuel for use of various activities within Ilocos Norte 2nd District Engineering Office. We have an ABC of 573,950 pesos. And we do have a lone bidder supplier here in the name of Casiano Gas Service Station. So please open the submitted proposal and conduct your initial evaluation, sir. Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. John. Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Here with me is the submitted proposal of Casiano Gas Service Station. Omnibus zone statement, present, sign indicating the correct RFQ number AB 2025-006, and the corresponding name, signed, sealed, and notarized. Same is true with the certificate of PhilJEP's registration with the Platinum membership, present, valid until January 21, 2026. DTI certificate expire on August 18, 2027. And mayor's permit expire on December 31, 2025. Tax clearance expire on February 11, 2026. And also submitted related financial statement. That's all, sir. And the bid offer of Casiano Gas Service Station is 571,742 pesos and 50 centavos. I repeat, 571,742 pesos and 50 centavos with no discount offer.
Okay, thank you, Sir Noel. Next, we go to RFQ number AB 2025-0007. Supply and delivery of LPG refill for use of hydraulic single fusing kettle, machine with applicator in the application of the thermoplastic beads and various activities at maintenance section of DPWH Ilocos Norte 2nd District Engineering Office, with an APC of 68,050 pesos only. So, ilan ang ano natin? Ilan ko lang, ha?
Yes, isa lang po.
Okay, so we have Gledco Multipurpose Cooperative as the loan supplier bidder here. So with that, please open the submitted proposal of Gledco Multipurpose Cooperative and conduct your initial evaluation session. Thank you.
Okay, and we continue. I'm pleased to announce to you that Gledco Multipurpose Cooperative submitted only RFQ, no omnibus, no other documents, only the RFQ. Financial, financial proposal. With that, Gledco Multipurpose Cooperative is disqualified, non-complying.
Okay, so Gledco Multipurpose Cooperative is non-complying. No other attachment except the RFQ. So we have a failure of bidding here for RFQ ID number 25 AB 0007. So do we have other issues and concern? Ma'am Mary Jane, what is our next back proceeding, please?
April 4, sir.
April 4.
Yeah, opening of bids of
3 goods. April 4, sir.
How about tomorrow?
none. None, sir.
Okay, so
Accepted for your goods.
tapos na tayo for this week. And we have a back proceeding on April 3.
4.
April 3. Korte mo kapag-paresit ko.
April 4. Okay. So, any other
Opening
issues?
of 3 goods.
SBT.
Yeah.
3 groups. So, wala na tayong issues. Ma'am, Lynn, do you have any other comment, issues? So, with that, this back proceeding is now adjourned. Thank you.
Of the record, sir.